Hi everyone, hope you all are extremely well. So in this video, we are going to talk about some hiring opportunities. Make sure to watch the complete video. This will give you a kind of idea about the companies which are hiring, the selection process, the batch eligible, everything related to the hiring. So do watch the complete video. Also share the video among your friends as well, juniors, seniors, whoever is eligible for these drives. So share among them as well. As of now, many people are looking for the opportunity. So if you are sharing the jobs with them, definitely you'll be helping out them in getting a job. So do share this video as well. But before proceeding further in this video, make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed till now. Turn on the bell icon as well so that you don't miss any important notification from our channel. Be a part of our Telegram channel too. Okay, so I hope that you have done all these things. Just a quick announcement to make that if you are looking for any of the courses, if you want to purchase any of the courses of Geeks for Geeks and looking for some discount, then you can use the coupon code provided in the description, that is study with Soumya, where every character should be in capital. So you can use that coupon code and you will be getting 10% off on their courses. So use the code, start learning. Happy learning, guys. Okay, so let's talk about our first opportunity, that is from Cognizant. So Cognizant campus HR team is basically hiring for graduate trainee. Immediate requirement it is any 3-year graduates, that is 2019, 2020 and 2021 is eligible for this drive. As you can see, so job function is going to be customer technical support, information technology related, and CTC will be 2,52,000. As you can see right now, 2,52,000 per annum. This is the job description given, that is responsible for providing IT infrastructure support covering cloud and on-premise product like Windows, Azure, MS Office, and other business application to our global customer. Collaborate with 5.6 plus million globally, ensure seamless functioning of business, work in partnership, provide expert solution on infrastructure, applications, hardware, and software installation and networking queries, accountable for gathering information through client conversation and ensuring optimal resolution, engage in business interactions with and users to provide innovative approaches, evaluate the official needs of the users, and provide quality deliverables to enhance user satisfaction. So again, the eligibility is same that we discussed just above, that you should be 2019, 2020 or 2021 pass out, 50% in 10th, 12th, diploma, UG, no standing arrear, and maximum 2 years gap, okay, is allowed. PG is not eligible as they have clearly specified. So this is an amazing opportunity, guys. If you are interested, you can apply for it. Here's our next opportunity from Upstox. So Upstox is basically hiring for the role of software development engineer graduate 2022. So this opportunity is for 2022 batch. The location is Bangalore, Mumbai. As you can see, this is a full-time opportunity. This you can see this is the Upstox story given, sort of idea about the company. If you want, you can just go through it so that you can get a proper idea regarding the company. Where did it all start? So again, this information is crucial for you. See, if you're interested in being a part of any company, at least you should be having the idea about the company foundation and all. Let's talk about your job role. So often we heard that there has never been a better time to be in technology. So this is where the fun begins for code gurus like you. So as a hands-on software development engineer, you will work with technical tools to transform a vision of a product into reality. Those who enjoy writing code and are passionate about solving problem and technology will find this position appealing. You will be engaged in product engineering at Upstock on a global scale, working with world-class dev teams with the goal of developing game-changing, globally distributed products used by millions of people worldwide. Ultimately, it is SDE's course that transform concepts into new technology and services that change the world's work and lifestyle. Let's talk about roles and responsibilities. So, by applying sound engineering principles, complex problems can be solved. Getting creative by incorporating new technologies, tools, methods, and processes into your solution. Assess feedback and applies industry or internal best practice to solve technical or cognitive problem. Acquire knowledge in few of the tools, technologies like is Java, C Sharp, C++, JavaScript, Python, data structure, advanced RDBMS, MySQL. Required qualification they have mentioned: pursuing a bachelor's degree or master's degree in engineering, computer science, or a related field, and ability to demonstrate knowledge of computing fundamentals, including data structure and algorithm. Okay, so interested candidate may apply by the career page. So you can apply from here, or you can simply drop a mail to them at campus@upstalks.com if you require any clarification. Thank you. Okay, so this is an amazing opportunity for 2022 batch. Let's talk about our next opportunity that is from Big Basket. So Big Basket is hiring for the role of software engineer. The location mentioned is Bangalore and the CTC offered is 7 lakh, as you can see. So this opportunity is for fresher. Okay, so you can see last date to apply is 29th of October 2021. Drive date will be 31st of October. Drive location will be online, so you don't have to visit anywhere. Are you excited about the transformation power of e-commerce? This is sort of given the description regarding the company. Talking about the eligibility. Okay, talking about the eligibility. So 2021 batch BE, BTech, CS, IS, IT, EC, related branches are eligible. Good PH score. So for this, what is mandatory? That you should have given the e-litmus test, because they are asking for good PH score, and good academic track record is needed. This is the job description given, that a strong understanding of object-oriented programming, understanding of SQL, RDBMS, data modeling, and MySQL or Oracle, experience programming with language such as Java, PHP, understanding of Linux, understanding of Python development and Django framework is a great plus. Understanding of JavaScript, HTML, DHTML, CSS, Ajax, and JSON. Right, so you must have understood. Let's see our next opportunity now. Okay, so let's see. Now, this is our next opportunity from ShareChat. So ShareChat is basically hiring for multiple roles. Here's a simple form provided where you have to provide your name, contact number, email ID, year of graduation, current organization. Are you currently serving the notice period? So if there's some notice period applicable on you, so you have to apply for the same. Resume link you have to provide, and for which you are interested. So ST1, ST2, many roles are here. See, if you're a fresher, then simply in the place of company and all, you have to put any. Okay, so you can see this is fresher role as well as ST1 is fresher role. So multiple fresher role, experience role they are hiring for. And here you have to provide your LinkedIn profile as well, and you have to simply submit this form. Okay, so these were some opportunities for all of you. I hope that you have found this video useful. The link for all these job roles is given in the description itself, so you can check it from there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed this. It will motivate me to make more such content for you. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye.